These are not yachts. These are monuments of power and luxury, floating empires that only billionaires can dream of owning. Welcome to Wheels of Elegance, and today we're diving into the top 5 futuristic luxury yachts you'll never afford. Stay with me till the end because our number 1 yacht is so massive, it feels less like a boat and more like a floating kingdom. Number 5. Solaris Eclipse 3000 Eco-Futuristic Solar Yacht. At number 5, the Solaris Eclipse 3000, a yacht that proves luxury and sustainability can finally coexist. It's sleek, white hull glides across the ocean with elegance, but the real magic happens above deck. Massive golden solar panels unfold like wings, capturing the sun's energy to power every system on board. On the stern, an infinity pool spills seamlessly into the horizon, giving the illusion that the ocean itself belongs to you. Step inside, and you're surrounded by glass walls flooding the lounge with natural sunlight. White leather sofas, polished marble floors, and soft golden lighting create a futuristic yet calming atmosphere. In the dining hall, panoramic glass windows stretch from floor to ceiling so every meal feels like dining inside a moving postcard. The Solaris Eclipse isn't just about opulence, it's about a new era where billionaires sail the seas without leaving a trace of smoke behind. Number 4. Atlantis Pearl Underwater Luxury Experience. Number 4 takes us beneath the waves, the Atlantis Pearl. From the outside, it shines in pearl white curves, its double-deck design inspired by seashells. But what makes it unforgettable is hidden below the surface. Inside the yacht's lower deck lies a crystal-clear underwater lounge. Imagine sipping champagne while sharks, dolphins, and schools of fish swim past your window. It's not just a lounge, it's a private aquarium where the ocean is your live entertainment. For evenings, the Atlantis Pearl offers a private cinema. Plush leather recliners, soft ambient lights, and the latest Dolby sound systems turn every movie night into a red carpet event. And when you want to feel the open air, the top deck jacuzzi offers a 360-degree view of turquoise waters, where the horizon feels endless. The Atlantis Pearl is not a yacht for speed or distance. It's a yacht for pure experience. A vessel that lets you live inside the ocean, not just on top of it. Number 3. Celestia Voyager, Billionaire's Travel Yacht. At number 3, we enter the world of billionaires with the Celestia Voyager. This sleek silver vessel doesn't just sail the seas, it announces your arrival. From a distance, you notice the rooftop helipad, ready for your private helicopter. Drones circle overhead, programmed to capture every angle of your journey. Because for owners of the Celestia Voyager, luxury isn't private, it's meant to be seen. Step inside, and you're greeted by lounges with panoramic windows stretching from wall to wall. Golden accents line every corner, and modern furniture glows beneath soft, futuristic lighting. The dining hall could host royalty, a marble table long enough for 20 guests, glowing chandeliers above, and endless sea views around you. In the evenings, the bar becomes the center of attention. Backlit crystal shelves, rare spirits from across the world, and handcrafted cocktails served with the sound of waves outside. The Celestia Voyager isn't just a yacht, it's a stage. It's for those who don't just travel, but perform their lifestyle with every journey. Number 2. Aurora Borealis, the Northern Lights Yacht. Number 2 is unlike anything else on the water, the Aurora Borealis yacht. By day, it's a sleek white vessel with graceful sails, but at night, it transforms into a spectacle of light. Hidden LED strips glow in green and purple, dancing across its sails like the northern lights themselves. As it moves across the ocean, it leaves behind a trail of color, turning the sea into a glowing canvas. Step inside, and the experience continues. The lounge is softly lit by ambient lights that shift colors, giving you the sensation of floating inside the aurora itself. The infinity pool glimmers under starlight, reflecting the glowing sails above. The private theater feels like you're inside the cosmos, with a ceiling lit by constellations. The Aurora Borealis isn't the biggest or the fastest, but it's the most poetic. It's a yacht that doesn't just sail, it performs. A moving light show that transforms every voyage into an unforgettable memory. Number 1. Ocean Crown, the Floating Palace. And finally, number 1. The Ocean Crown. At nearly 180 meters, it doesn't just rival other yachts, it rivals small cities. This is not a vessel, it's a floating empire. The upper deck alone looks like a private resort, with a massive infinity pool lined by cabanas and lounge chairs. Step inside, and you enter grand lounges of marble, glass, and crystal chandeliers. The dining hall feels like a royal banquet, with long golden tables and space for dozens of guests. But the Ocean Crown offers more than just elegance. It has a private IMAX-style theater for screenings at sea, a rooftop garden deck with real trees and greenery, and a luxury bar glowing with rare spirits and endless views. Every corner feels like a world-class hotel, except this one sails wherever you choose. The Ocean Crown is a dream, but also a symbol. A symbol that, in the world of billionaires, even the ocean itself can be turned into a personal kingdom. So which yacht stole your heart? The eco-luxury Solaris Eclipse, the magical Aurora Borealis, or the Royal Ocean Crown? Tell us in the comments below. And if you want more journeys into the world of luxury you'll never afford, don't forget to subscribe to Wheels of Elegance, because here, the impossible becomes reality, at least on screen.